listen. Question. Probability. Today is 19. Okay, question. Hello. Hello. Please write the question. Reserve. Am I audible? Okay, आज रिसर्व नहीं आया है, क्या बात है? पहले बड़ी बदमाशी करता था, सर बोर्ड हटाइए, बोर्डे को फिक्स कीजिए, हैं? दीवार छोड़िए सर। Okay, please write. A die is thrown twice. Question is that a die is thrown twice. What is the probability? What is the probability that number 1, 5 will not come, 5 will not come up either time, either time. Number 2, 5 will come up at least once. 5 will come at least once. Dear student, this is the question. Here is the question. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? And second is that 5 will come at least once. 5 will come at least once. Now, before solving this problem, we will have to prepare the box. We will have to prepare the box so that our calculation will clear. So see here, here is the box. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Okay. Now second, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Third, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Next, 4 1, 4 2, Now last. Now last. 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5 and 6-6. This is the calendar. This is the table by which we can find the event easily. By which we can find the event easily. Okay. Now see the question number 1. What is written? The question number 1 is that what will not come? Means we will have to ignore it. What will not come up either? Hive will not come. Other will come, other hive will not come. So this calendar we will have to see where is hive. Then see at the board 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10 and 11. 11 times 5 is coming. But question is that 5 will not come. Then no. 5 will not come. 5 will not come. Then total is 36. Total is 36. उसमें से 11 टाइम्स 5 आ रहा है. ये कैलेंडर में रुकिए अपर्णा यू आर गुड गर्ल. इसमें 11 टाइम 5 आ रहा है तो उसको हटा देंगे तो नहीं आ रहा है. टोटल कैलेंडर में 5 11 टाइम्स आ रहा है, उसको इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे. मीन्स 36 माइनस 11 इट बिकम्स 25. 25 ऐसे इवेंट होंगे जिसमें कि 5 नहीं आ रहा है. जिसमें कि 5 नहीं आ रहा है. नाउ लिखेंगे फर्स्ट probability getting 5 will not come. 5 will not come at least once. At least one. Here number of events will be 25 and number of sample space equal to 36. Number of sample space is 36 and number of event will be 25. Okay. Therefore probability equal to number of event divided by number of sample space 25 by 36. This is the answer. 25 by 36. This is the answer. Okay. So all of you write down from the board. All of you write down from the board. Okay. अगर आप इस टेबल को बना लेते हैं तो गलती होने का संभावना 0 हो जाएगा और नहीं बनाएंगे तो गलती होने का संभावना 95% बढ़ जाएगा. कहीं अगर एक छोड़ दिया या एक ज्यादा ले लिए, दोनों ही केस में ये आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. दोनों ही केस में ये आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके. Write down from the board. Yeah, you got the answer of 1?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Others? Other student will speak. May I rub the मिटा दें? बोलिए। मिटा से बोर्ड? अपर्णा, प्लीज टेल मी। Okay. Now I am going to the answer of first. Answer of first. Now second question. Second question is that 5 will come at least 1. कम से कम 1 आना चाहिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा जितना भी आ जाए, लेकिन कम से कम 1 आना चाहिए। तब कितना होगा? Very good. Probability second P getting at least 5 will come at least once, right? Then here number of events will be 11. नो, आप ये एक प्रॉब्लम आया है, लिसन ऑल ऑफ यू। एक बच्ची बोल रही थी सर 5 वाले टेबल में 5 ट्वाइस आ रहा है, उसको अलग अलग काउंट करेंगे ना? नहीं, हम आपको बोले अगर कि हमको एटलीस्ट 2 रुपये चाहिए, हमको कम से कम 2 रुपया चाहिए, आप 3 रुपया भी दे सकते हो, 5 रुपया भी दे सकते हो, 10 रुपये भी दे सकते हो। हम एटमोस्ट बोले नहीं है, एटलीस्ट वर्ड यूज किए हैं, है ना? एटमोस्ट बोलते तो ये क्वेश्चन चेंज हो सकता था। एटलीस्ट में अगर 5 ट्वाइस आया है यहाँ पर, उसको एक ही काउंट करेंगे। 5 अगर ट्वाइस आया है तो हम सिंगल ही काउंट करेंगे। एंड नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस इक्वल टू 36, therefore probability equal to number of event by number of sample space, that is 11 by 36. Write out to you. Eleven by 36. Okay. Now you tell me, may I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Hello. बोर्ड को मिटा दिया गया। ओके। Now, next question is Next question is, a bag contains question. A box contains 90 discs. 90 discs. Which are numbered? Which are numbered? 1 to 90. 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears number 1, a 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Number 2, a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Number 3, a number divisible by 5. A number divisible by 5. This is the question. A number divisible by 5. Okay. A bag contains 90 discs which are numbered 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears number 1, a 2-digit number. Second, a perfect square number. Third, a number divisible by 5. Right? Okay, now number 1, a 2-digit number. Just we will count 2-digit number will start from 10 and it will end up in 19. So when we will count, it will be 81. Because from 10 to 90, 10, when we will include 10, then here will be only 1 to 9. So out of 90 we will subtract 9, it becomes 81. 90 minus 9, it becomes 81. 81 will be the event. Now answer of question number 4. T getting 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Then here number of event equal to 81 and number of sample space equal to 90. Number of event equal to 81. Number of sample space is 90. Okay, therefore probability equal to number of event by number of sample space. 81 by 90, that is 9 9 ja 9 by 10, will be the answer for this question. 9 by 10 will be the answer for this question. Write down, all of you write down from the board. लिखे, अगर ऋषभ रहता तो कितने बार बोलता अभी, तो उसके घर जाके पिटाई करेंगे। कम सब लोग, here is 31 student is in online class, only one girl is speaking. Others? Okay. Now I am going to the answer of, this is the answer of question number 1. Now answer of question number 2. Completed? Now probability getting a perfect square number, getting a perfect square number. Dear student, please listen. 1 से लेके 90 तक में हमको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर देखना है, तो हम लिखेंगे 1, 4, 9, 16. Wait, yes. 1, 4, 9, 20, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. So number of event equal to 9, and number of sample space equal to 90. Therefore, probability equal to number of event by number of sample space, 9 by 90, 1 by 10. 9 by 90, that is 1 by 10. Okay. Write down, answer will be 1 by 10. But anyone can ask, sir, answer may be 0.1. It can be. When we will divide it, it can be 0.1. Write down. Okay. Completed. Now may I rub the board? Now third question is that a number which is divisible by 5.
18. 40 by 19. 5 to divide to 1 by 5 आ जाएगा 85 and 90.
18 total is
1 by 5. 1 by 5 हो जाएगा.
may I rub the board?
पूछे तो बता दो।
May I rub the board? Now for third answer of question number third is he getting a number which is divisible by 5. He getting a number divisible by 5. Divisible by yes. In this case here अब देखो कैसे 18 आया 5, 10, 15, 20,
5 को डिवाइड कर लिया
25 ये नंबर जो है 5 से पूरा पूरा डिविजिबल हो रहा है। अब ऐसे नंबर को काउंटिंग करेंगे तो नंबर will be 18 numbers which is exactly divisible by 5 in between 1 to 90. So here number of event equal to 18 and number of sample space equal to 90. Therefore probability equal to number of event by number of sample space, that is 18 by 90, 1/5, it becomes 1 by 5. 1 by 5. You write down. This is important question. And tell me, then I will rub the book. Okay, right now. Right now. I am waiting. May I rub the board? Aparna? आप लोग बोर्ड से अगर लिख लिए हो तो फिर हम उसको मिटाएं। Okay, I am going to rub the board.
तो लड़की का नाम क्या?
एक क्वेश्चन है फिर लिखेंगे। Here is question. Please. Write the question. A bag contains white, black and red ball. Only a ball is drawn at random from the bag. If the probability of getting of getting white ball is 3/10. 3/10 and that of a black ball. Black ball is 2/5. Is 2/5. Then find the probability. Then find the probability of getting a red ball. A red ball. If the bag contains 20 black balls, then find the total number of balls. Then find the total number of balls in the bag. In the bag. Write down all of you, please. Write down here. May I have the board? ओके सब लोग लिख लिए ना? Here is the question. A bag contains white ball, black, red ball. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. If the probability of getting a white ball is 3/10, white ball is given 3/10 and that of a black ball is 2/5. Black ball has 2/5. Then find the probability of getting a red ball. Red ball का probability निकालना है. Also, if the bag contains 20 black ball, then find the total number of ball which is inside the bag. Okay. So we will have to find first probability of getting a red ball. Then after we will add this all the balls. Okay. So it will be homework for you, right? Just you will try and tomorrow we will solve it. No, day after tomorrow. Yes. Because tomorrow is holiday. Okay. Thank you.